This is going to be the first part of the reading for the new moon in Leo. It's going to happen tomorrow. It has its keywords: reset, renewal, new rhythms, community, and it's getting closer to the 888 gate, so it's also a fire of alchemy. How it's going to be, why so many cards here, don't worry, I will explain, and then you will have time to pick up what it resonates with you, and I will come with the second part of the video after the new moon. So for now, because we talk about Leo, Leo is ruled by the sun. So we have here the card of the sun. And I thought of the 9 principles of light. I just learned about it. I found them fascinating. And I will associate each number then with a planet. Actually, somebody else did it. It's not really my idea. I'm just using it. And then the first principle of light being the revelation, or to create or to spark, is associated with the sun. The second principle of light being the reflection, so to reflect, to illuminate, it's going to be the moon. The third principle of light, refraction, to perceive, to express, it's going to be associated with Mercury. The fourth principle, diffraction, to activate, to separate, it's going to be Mars. And then the fifth principle, which is the interference, it splits, let's say, in two, because we have constructive interference to connect, that will be Venus, and the other interference, more destructive, that expanding one, it's going to be Jupiter. Then we have the sixth principle of the light, polarization, so to focus, to prioritize. We are forced to do that by Saturn. The seventh is dispersion, to unify, to interconnect, the love, that's Neptune. Then we have the scattering principle, to disrupt, to reveal, Uranus. And then we have the last one, the completion. It's a cycle started from 1 to 9, and the completion again, like to dissolve, death, and then rebirth. I have here Pluto and Earth. So actually what we have is 1 associated with the sun, 2 associated with the moon, 3 associated with Mercury, 4 is Mars, 5 is Venus or Jupiter, 6 is Saturn, 7 is Neptune, 8 is Uranus, and 9 is Pluto and Earth. And again, I will write all the 9 principles: revelation, reflection, refraction, diffraction, interference, polarization, dispersion, scattering, and completion. You can think of one of these 9 principles, maybe which one you want to work with. You can think of the planet associated with one of these 9 principles, or the number if it's associated with your life path. And then you see a lot of cards under each of the planets. I pick up cards from these little wings, from the divine, the twin flame, the oracle of water, chakra mindset, and to have the tarot, also the white witch tarot. So after you let the energy of the new moon work on you, think about this, and then if you choose one of these numbers of principle of lights, of planets, come back here to see the second part, when I'm going to turn all the cards for each of these 9 principles. Hope to see you back after the new moon.